Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at Terraform for managing Kubernetes resources and Sentinel to enforce policies around them. So let's look at an example. Here I have a pod and a service that are being managed using Terraform. The Kubernetes pod is simply an Nginx container. The Kubernetes service is exposing that pod on port 80. The Kubernetes service is of type load balancer, and this is defined using the service type Terraform variable. In this example, we'll enforce a Sentinel policy around the service types that are running in the cluster. So let's go back to a Terraform enterprise UI. Here I have a workspace that I've already created for this demo. It's called Sentinel Service Type Demo, and this is what we'll use for the demo. So let's go ahead and create our first Sentinel policy. So we'll go to Organization Settings, Sentinel Policy, and we'll say Create a new policy. The policy name will be Kubernetes Service Type Check. The enforcement mode, in this case, we'll select Soft Mandatory. This lets operators override the policy if the policy fails. So for the policy code, let's go back to GitHub. Go to the pod and the service folder and open up the policy. This policy uses the tfplan import to make the Terraform plan available to Sentinel. First, we'll take a look at the main rule. Here we go through all the Kubernetes services, and this is done using the Kubernetes services function. This goes through all the resources in the Terraform plan and returns the Kubernetes service type resources. For each Kubernetes service, we figure out what service type it is. So that is done using the service type for function. This goes through all the resource data and then finds the Kubernetes service type. Then we check whether the service was in allowed types. And these allowed types for now are node port and cluster IP. So let's copy in this policy. Let's save. Now we'll go back to workspaces and then queue a new plan. Terraform Enterprise will now run a Terraform plan and then go through the policy check phase. The Terraform plan should succeed, but the policy check should soft fail. So as you can see, the organization policies have soft failed. So let's take a look at the log. The logs say the Kubernetes service type check that we just created has failed. And this is because our service type is set to load balancer. So let's go back to a Terraform configuration to confirm. So let's make this policy pass. So let's copy in the service type variable, discard this plan, go to variables, and let's change the service type to node port, which is in our allowed types. Let's hit save. Let's go back to a current run. This plan is discarded, so we can queue a new plan. This will again go through the Terraform plan phase and then run the policy checks. So plan should succeed. And the organization policies have also passed this time because we've changed it to node port. Now you can go ahead and confirm and apply to apply these changes. This will run a Terraform apply and create a pod and a service in Kubernetes. Thank you.